Chai.
Tata.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome to day 15 of this weight loss journey. So we are doing this program for 30 days and our target is to lose 5 kgs, which is a little bit more, but at least we are having a healthy lifestyle with lots of exercise and lots of good food. I'm all ready and set for the exercise, and today I'm going to do Surya Namaskar again. So it will be day 4 of 108 Surya Namaskar. I can actually feel the difference, the toning in my body. Let's finish up 108 Surya Namaskar. Hey guys, so I'm done with 50 Surya Namaskar in 27 minutes and calorie burnt is 180. Let's finish 58 more. Okay guys, I finished 108 Surya Namaskar in 55 minutes.
Yes.
108 Surya Namaskar J4.
कैसा लग रहा है?
1500 calories burned. So guys, 108 Surya Namaskar I completed in 56 minutes and I burned 400 calories. Not bad. And according to Google, we have burned 1500 calories. आज 15th day हो गया है मेरे ये vlog को.
तो वेट रिकॉर्ड नहीं करना है?
So आज करना है. तो 7th day I recorded my weight. It was little bit down. अभी आज का टाइम है. बॉडी में टोनिंग तो दिख रही है. I can feel it कि टोनिंग तो हुई है. So I've been exercising since 15 days. It's time to check the weight. It's been 15 days and we checked the weight on 7th day. Now it's time to check. I'm hoping it should be around 63 point something. Even if it is 63.9, I will be happy. Let's see. It's 64.1. Okay. I was expecting 63.9, but yeah, it's good. I don't remember the last weight. It was 64 point something. I'll check and put it down below. And yes, I'm happy. So it's 8:30 a.m. and it's breakfast time. For breakfast, I'm eating one methi paratha with 1 cup moong sprouts and 1 cup curd with mint chutney and lime pickle. Let me show you. So this is one methi paratha, which is of little large size, and this is moong, curd with jeera and salt, mint chutney and nibu ka achar. Bon appetit! It's 11 a.m. and it's time for snacks. So I'm having fruit, which is papaya today. So I'm going to eat 1 cup of papaya So let's eat it. So this is one bowl of papaya. Guys, so it's 12 p.m. and I'm feeling a little bit hungry, so I'm eating these 4 almonds which are soaked overnight. Yeah, it's quite healthy. You can either peel it or you can just eat it like that. So it's 2 p.m. and it's lunch time. So what are we having, Ankur?
Dal, roti.
No dal today, but we have something liquidy which looks like dal, which has something inside it.
Curry.
Yes.
Curry.
And with that we are eating patta gobi ki sabzi with no aloo but tomatoes. And in place of roti I am eating rice right now. So I'll take half cup of rice. How much roti will you take, Ankur? 2, and we'll have salad with that. So let me plate up and I'll show you. So this is half katori rice, which is white rice, and this is patta gobi with matar and tomato, and this is curry. So I have taken only 1 pakoda because हमारे यहाँ बिना पकौड़े की कढ़ी नहीं बनती है. And we'll have salad as well, which is right here. Bon appetit. So I was craving for something sweet, so I'm eating these dates. Only one date. Yeah, it's 3 p.m. and it's 1 hour after the lunch, so it's time for buttermilk. So I'm making buttermilk with 2 tablespoons of curd, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, little bit of salt and lots of water. Hey guys, I'm going to my mom-dad's house, so I'll make the rest of the vlog over there. And मौसम बहुत ही अमेजिंग हो गया है and it's very nice. बारिश हो रही है बहुत ज़्यादा and yeah, चाय और पकौड़े का खाने का मन कर रहा है. So it's 5 p.m. and it's snacks time and chai time. So I'm having a cup of tea with a cup of roasted makhana with little bit of ghee, black pepper and little bit of salt. And this is chai. लग गई बेटा. So it's 6 p.m. and total steps I have done is 2900. That's it. So I am at my mom's place. So हम थोड़ा सा बाहर घूमने जा रहे हैं to add those steps. So see ya. Bye आद्या. Bye मम्मा. Bye भैया. बेटा खाना घर जाके खाना खाना है ना, ठीक है. अभी हम मुस्कुरा के बाय करो. Hey guys, so it's 7:30 p.m. and it's dinner time. So आज का special menu है
Something to do with prawns.
So we are making prawn curry and we are going to eat it with rice. So let me show you. So if you are vegetarian, you can obviously opt for something else. You can make paneer curry or
Tofu curry?
Tofu curry is quite a nice option and it tastes good as well. Or you can eat khichdi, which is also comfort food, and just एक कटोरी. So सबसे पहले हम इसमें थोड़ा सा ऑयल डालेंगे like this. Prawn बहुत जल्दी पक जाता है. It's not like chicken or एक्चुअली सी फूड सारे ही बहुत जल्दी पक जाते हैं, फिश वगैरह और वो सब. चिकन को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है, मटन को तो बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगता है. सो दिस इज द प्रॉन. इफ यू आर अ वेजिटेरियन, सो सॉरी इफ यू हैव टू सी दिस. और प्रॉन्स पक गए हैं कि नहीं ये जानना बहुत ईजी है. अंकुर, डू यू नो व्हाट्स द ट्रिक?
वही सेम चिकन वाली ट्रिक?
No. So prawns will become pinkish in color if they are fully cooked. इसको क्योंकि हम तरी में भी पकाएंगे, इसलिए हम जैसे ही वो पिंक होता है वैसे ही हटा देंगे. एंड इफ यू आर न्यू टू ईटिंग फिश एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, आई वुड सजेस्ट यू टू ट्राई बासा फिश, क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल भी फिश टाइप नहीं लगती है एंड इट डजंट स्मेल एट ऑल. तो ये थोड़ा सा और कुक होना बचा है, बट वी विल टेक दिस आउट बिकॉज वी हैव टू कुक इट इन द ग्रेवी एज वेल. अब हम उसमें डालेंगे अनियंस. Onion के साथ we have to add tomatoes also, but since I already had tomato puree, I was just about to say mango puree, so I already had the opened tomato puree. We have to finish this within 2 days, so that's why I'm using this. Otherwise you can just add chopped tomatoes. और इसके साथ हम थोड़ा सा डाल देंगे जिंजर गार्लिक पेस्ट विच इज़ होममेड, ऑलमोस्ट एंड होने आया है, सो आई यूज ऑल ऑफ इट। तो ये वाला प्रॉन हम बनाने वाले कोकोनट ग्रेवी में, बिकॉज प्रॉन्स टेस्ट सो गुड इन कोकोनट ग्रेवी, थाई करी टाइप फ्लेवर आ जाता है। तो अनियन को हम बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राउन नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज वी वांट दैट माइल्ड फ्लेवर। नाउ इट्स टाइम टू ऐड टोमेटो प्यूरी। इसको थोड़ी देर कोको ने देंगे विद लिटिल बिट ऑफ सॉल्ट। यू कैन ऐड अदर स्पाइसेस एज वेल, बट वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड सॉल्ट, थोड़ा सा टर्मरिक बिकॉज इट्स गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ। coriander powder, I'm thinking let's not add that. Sometimes I add it, but so I'm adding cumin powder in that because it tastes nice with that. Okay, and little bit of garam masala which I'll add afterwards. The best part of this prawn curry is that it's so quick to make. अगर आपके पास बाजार वाली टोमेटो प्यूरी है तो ये तो और क्विक है, अदरवाइज टोमेटोज चॉप करके कुक करने में थोड़ा और टाइम लगता है। सो दिस इज द क्विक प्रोसेस। बट होममेड टोमेटो प्यूरी को थोड़ा सा पकाना ज़्यादा पड़ता है, अदरवाइज वो थोड़ा सा कच्चा टेस्ट देती है। सो यू हैव टू बॉयल इट फॉर एटलीस्ट 10 मिनट्स, 10-15 मिनट्स, तभी उसकी वो कच्चापन जाता है। बट ऑब्वियसली होममेड इज मच बेटर देन स्टोर बॉट। इट्स जस्ट अप टू यू, वंस इन अ वाइल इट्स फाइन। अब हम इसमें थोड़ा सा वाटर ऐड करेंगे, जस्ट अ लिटिल, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड कोकोनट मिल्क। तो इस कोकोनट मिल्क में दिस इज लाइक 100 ml आई गेस, 200 ml सॉरी 200 ml, एंड द कैलोरीज इज 113, सो हम 2 में डिवाइड होगा, सो दिस इज लाइक ओनली 50 कैलोरीज, सो इट्स फाइन। आप इसमें क्रीम भी डाल सकते हैं। इफ यू डोंट लाइक कोकोनट मिल्क यू कैन ऐड हैवी क्रीम और फ्रेश क्रीम, बट ऑब्वियसली बहुत सारा नहीं, क्योंकि वो 50 कैलोरीज नहीं होगा, वो बहुत ज़्यादा होगा।
Looks nice, yeah. It's already smelling like a curry.
Correct. But we add the prawns. Since we are eating it with rice, तो मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा लिक्विड ही रखा हुआ है। अगर आप रोटी वगैरह के साथ खा रहे हो then make it little dry as well.
Starting to boil, huh?
Yeah. So now we add garam masala and little bit of chili powder.
So I think the masalas are the difference from Thai curry.
From the norm, हाँ Thai curry. इसमें जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हमने वो नहीं ऐड किया ना कोरिएंडर पाउडर, ताकि इंडियन टाइप टेस्ट ना आए। अगर आपको ज़्यादा इंडियन टाइप टेस्ट पसंद है यू कैन ऐड कोरिएंडर पाउडर एंड ऑल। और लास्ट में मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज लाइम जूस। लाइम जूस तो ऐड करना ही है, नहीं तो टेस्ट अच्छा नहीं आएगा।
ये थी आपकी टिप ऑफ द डे?
Tip of the day. Looks amazing, yeah. We have parsley as well in the home garden. You can add that as well.
You want to add it?
Yes, we'll add the parsley. धीमे पे है ये, ठीक है, let it boil.
It's night in the city, and I'm on my way back home.
Can you smell it?
Oh wow.
Smells like lemongrass, ना?
हाँ.
Little bit.
हाँ.
यार होम ग्रोन की फ्रेशनेस की बात ही कुछ और है। Just look at this. Do you remember the taste of parsley?
A little bit. एक थोड़ा सा टेस्ट कराना.
So usually we eat it with pasta, white sauce pasta in this spaghetti. Remember?
Yeah.
It tastes little bit like medicinal plant, to be honest. तो एक tangy सा एक टंग में टेस्ट आता है इसका। Only thing left is, so we are going to turn off the heat, क्योंकि नींबू हमेशा गैस बंद करके ही डालना चाहिए।
ये मम्मी वाला क्या है
विटामिन
कि
सी नहीं ये जनरल है।
General क्या है?
विटामिन सी तुमको जब भी खाने में ऐड करना है, यू शुड नॉट ऐड इट व्हाइल हीटिंग अप।
Oh, it gets destroyed because of it.
We taste it. कुक कौन है कुक? उसके हाथ चूम लो। Let me just mix it.
Oh wow.
Looks delicious, right? Can't wait to eat it. Okay guys, so we are done with the dinner making, and so I'm eating prawn curry with half katori rice. So let me show you. So this is half katori rice and this is prawn curry, and total prawns we have used is 30. So I'm eating 15 and Ankur is eating 15. These are the small ones without tails. So yeah, that's for the dinner and bon appetit. So I wanted to eat something sweet after dinner. So I'm eating 2 tablespoons of granola with 2 tablespoons of curd. It has very less sugar and this granola is homemade and it has dry fruits as well. So this is much healthier option rather than chocolate or any other sweet. So I was craving for it, that's why I'm eating it. Otherwise, if you can avoid it, just avoid it. Only 3% people in the world can do this.
What are you doing though?
Try it. इनको भी मिलाओ, अंगूठा और ये वाली उंगली वहाँ पे, वो वाली उंगली now do that.
Yeah.
Congratulations, you are in that 3%.
Of idiots.
I was just watching reels. उसमें जो किसी ने लिखा हुआ only 3% people can do this, and then this.
Bakwas.
I was so happy that I am in that 3%. Or probably 3% people who are fool and
We'll do it.
they will try it just like this.
What is that?
Hey guys, can you do this? If not, then let me know. Things you read on internet which doesn't make sense. Hey guys, that's it for today's vlog, and I burnt 667 calories in total. Not bad. Total distance I covered is 4.43 kilometers and total steps 6500. So my target was 10,000 today, but I think near to 7,000 is good enough. And yes, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Also like, share and comment on this video, and I'll see you tomorrow on day 16th of this weight loss journey. Bye, good night.